Hello, classmates in art appreciation. Today we're going to be starting today. We're going to be talking about popular music or music analysis. I know that music is a very integral part of our daily routines right now. That's why even if we're supposed to focus more into classical music, and because we are not in the classroom, I really wanted to discuss classical music with you, but it's quite difficult to do that here, to do it online. And so we're going to be more focusing more into popular music, but next week I'll be discussing with you a bit on classical music. So we are moving on to lesson 8, which is the art of tune. You can see in there that for this week, you're supposed to familiarize yourselves with the elements of music, distinguish instrumental music, and to demonstrate knowledge and appreciation of music by writing a music review. We're going to be doing that, of course, this week, this coming 2 weeks. Kindly go over this, read the material as always, and for the first part, which is about the elements of music, I'll be sharing with you this playlist, and you can see in there that I included many songs which you've heard before probably, but we'll be focusing on these songs as a case study for the examples that I will be sharing with you for the next week. So there is the Black Eyed Peas, there's Rihanna, there's Janela Salvador, Stevie Nicks, Taylor Swift, Dua Lipa, and Martin Garrix. There is Ariana Grande and Miley Cyrus. For music explain, if you have a Netflix account, you can watch this on Netflix. This is the explained series. There are very nice episodes on on this one. But we have there's one that's uploaded on YouTube already, which you can watch right, which you can which you can watch right here. So this is music. There's the full episode. This is narrated by Carly Rae Jepsen. And there's another one, short docu, which is I was in the Black Eyed Peas, then I quit. Almost famous, which is an opinion documentary by the New York Times. So these are the only ones which are not songs that are included in your playlist. I was in Black Eyed Peas and Music Explained on Netflix. You can watch this first if you want, and then just download on your phone or in your laptop or in your iPad or iPod or something. Let's get it started with the Black Eyed Peas, Umbrella by Rihanna, Harana Na 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 by Janela Salvador, Edge of 17 by Stevie Nicks, Out of the Woods by Taylor Swift, and I hope you're familiar with some of her songs because I usually use her for my music analysis lecture, Dua Lipa, and Ariana Grande. As you can see in your modules kasi later on, I'll be discussing this one soon for you, but I want you to read them, okay? So please make sure that you read the elements of music, Baroque as instrumental, classical, and romantic, and modern. After that, we'll be focusing more into pop music. So I'll be focusing more into pop music in our synchronous session. And as you can see, there are some terms that I included there, writing the review tips, and a sample review in Rappler, Dua Lipa Complete Edition, Charismatic Party Chameleon. So we'll be using this as a. There are some songs that are mentioned here in the here in the article. You can go over that. Like this one, Scared to be Lonely. What else? Ano ba yung mga sikat sa album ni Dua Lipa during that time? Scared to be Lonely, New Rules, etc. So focus on this for your session today, and I'm going to meet you for your asynchronous next week, where we'll have a week-long session and discussion about popular and instrumental music. Have a great weekend, everybody. You take care of yourself. Goodbye.